on the way to the track. Marco's driving the race car. We just got to the shop. Marco's actually changing out tires.
Perfect, I forgot to grab the camera.
I got you, bro.
Thank you. Welcome to the R&D garage.
Yes.
We're in a hurry because the track starts at 11. We gotta change tires, load up, and then drive over there.
It's only 9:15.
I don't know, you know how it is. Between getting gas and food, we end up being really late. And because it's a private day, I don't want to lose those little hours we have.
We got Hasm here. So what's up, Hasm? So, we're taking out the 350Z. Marco just told me that he just finished the e-brake. He says that the car feels solid, so we're gonna see how it feels today. So finally, loading up the van with tires, tools, jack. We got spare axles, plenty of water so we can stay hydrated. We got the trailer ready, and Marco's also gonna take the race car too. So yeah, he's definitely gonna take advantage of this private day.
I'm 5 minutes from the track and I'm stranded. My fuel pump went out. That is the same fuel pump from the fire. I mean, I didn't change it, it was working, but I guess that was hindsight now. It's a bad idea, I should have changed it. So, waiting for either Kugo to drop off the 350Z and come get me with the trailer, or somebody to come and help me figure out, maybe flat tow it to the track, and then from there, I can leave a car there and just go to my house and the shop twice, I don't know. We'll see. At least I have the trailer, you know, it sucks because I'm taken away from driving time, but a fuel pump, it was hindsight. Car's on the trailer.
Yeah.
Kuko's here.
Get hydrated.
I know, I need some water. Mark came to help, thank you so much. Let's get to the track.
Here.
Made it to the track. Let's see how the Z drives on track for the first time. Hopefully it doesn't break like the S13. The car feels great, but it's overheating. The fans are not working. I don't know why. We gotta figure that out. Again, it's my first time with a Z, so I know that it's all stock, so probably I can't hot lap it like I was doing. I was just going back to back to back, and that's probably not good. But I will improve on the radiator and the fan setup in the future. For now, it's fine, and I'm gonna hardwire the fans to see if I can get them to max hot all the time, or max speed all the time, and go from there. The car feels great. The first corner I threw it into, I threw it with angle, thinking it was the S13, and it had no angle, so I just spun it. It was hilarious. I was like, sorry guys, nothing I can do. Tire started delaminating too, so I'm gonna change the tire. I'm gonna figure out the fans, and then I'm gonna see if I let some of my friends that have been helping me so much with this car drive it, and then from there I'll get back in it and keep practicing. The number one thing is it has no angle and no seat, so it's something to get used to coming from a car that had angle and a proper seat to hold you in. So, you know, but it's fine.
Alright, tell him. It's gonna be pretty hard, buddy, because I gotta, you know, try to hold myself.
We're gonna get back on track, test out some new tires that we put on. They're not new, they're used, but new to us. There you go, Marco. Why?
I don't know.
Kuko's going for a drive. Fun fact, Kuko has never drifted my S13 because he doesn't fit in my bucket seat. So, this car's perfect for him.
I'm so nervous. I have
First time drifting ever.
Yep.
It'll be fine, it's easy. It has no angle though, so just like, you'll get it.
I'm not gonna go crazy. Second all the time?
Yeah, first and then second, stay in second.
Okay.
If you are going too slow, then you gotta go back to first, but you probably just stay in second.
Okay.
Kuko's a little nervous because Matt and everybody's behind there, and
Yeah.
he's hoping they don't jump in the train.
I have everybody.
Okay, go. Make sure they don't jump. Watch it. Alright, now you gotta get off. They're coming. They're coming.
That's weird.
It's hard, huh?
A little bit.
It's because it's fighting you the whole time.
Yes.
That's a low power, high grip car.
That's not bad. I thought it was gonna do worse.
No, you did alright.
But
Now you want to try again, don't you?
I do.
See, every time it bites you and you're like, oh, I could do this differently.
He's like, when are you gonna get your own car? I was like, no sir. Dang it!
What? No. That's the wrong way. Go.
Alright, well, we switched now. Cause I suck.
Oh, You need like your track to yourself.
Yeah, no cones, nobody here.
You need to go to a learner's day. That's
sure.
Perfect for that. Oh man, what a good day today has been. This is how you know it was a good day. You cook. You cook. That's not only is the car cooking, but we're all cooking because it's hot.
My car's cooking too.
Yeah. I feel like y'all don't understand Florida because you're probably up north in like snow right now or something. But we're sweating extremely hot. What how many degrees?
85 degrees.
85
right
degrees, but I bet you it feels worse in the sun, in the direct sun.
Yeah, it got up to like 91.
All the cars are cooking. Arthur's puking over there. His puked all over the place. Mine is puking, and we're all sweaty. But it was a good day. You know, it was a good day. I don't know if anybody got it on video, but I hope you can't even see it. The fender looks exactly the same. But Nick hit me right there, and then I pulled it out and I hit it, and that's what it looks like now. I'll go show you Nick's car. He hit me right here. You can see his bash bar right there. That blue is my fender. He plowed into me. And my car's fine. The tie rod's fine, everything is fine. And it just bopped me, and his put the bash wire almost poked his tire. So he got lucky. This is why I think Z's are amazing. I literally just got hit, and it was a pretty hard hit. It bent his bash bar like that, and my car's fine. Doesn't even feel it. I pushed the fender right back out. Good. Kept driving. I got some really good sweet tandems with Matt. I think Kuko said he got that. I want to thank Kuko and Mark and everybody that's helped me today with everything, because it's been a long time coming trying to set this up for this deadline, but it worked out. Is your birthday today? Tuesday. His birthday is Tuesday. This event was for Mofongo Drifts on Instagram. Drifts. It was for him. It's his birthday.
Check me out. I have like 4 followers.
He set it up. So he's the one that set all of this up. We all had a lot of fun.
May or may not be the last. Happy birthday!
Yeah. So we're all here. We're gonna go get some food and then unload the carnage and fix all the carnage to come do it again. So I hope you guys watch that one too, okay? So thank you guys for watching, liking, subscribing. Everybody say goodbye.
See ya.